Shares of Coinbase slightly lower today following its trading debut yesterday. BTIG initiating the stock with a buy and a $500 price target today. The firm saying it's positioned to be a primary beneficiary of the increasing adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Let's bring in the analyst behind that call, Mark Palmer. $500. So you think this should be a $130 billion company. Why? What are you comparing the valuation to?
That's right. In our view, Coinbase falls in the same category as other companies that are on the front end of an enormous open-ended growth opportunity that has arisen due to the adoption of a new technology. What kind of names are we talking about? Tesla, Zoom, Snowflake, and the like, that command premium multiples because their growth is enormous. Their positioning within their industry is unique. And they're going to be able to take advantage of that. Coinbase is particularly well positioned, just given the fact that it is the easiest on-ramp for both retail and institutional investors to the world of cryptocurrency. It is also a safe and comfortable means of transacting, given the fact that the company, since its founding in 2012, has adhered to regulations in a very strict manner, and at the same time has never been hacked. Now, if you look around the world of cryptocurrency, there are some very big, prominent exchanges that have been hacked. They can't make that claim. Clearly, Coinbase, it fits into a category where if you're an institutional investor, you're not going to be taking career risk by choosing to work with Coinbase.
I mean, all good points, and clearly that's an elite club when it comes to valuations, a Tesla, a Snowflake. Mark, isn't it just correlated, though, with the price of Bitcoin? If Bitcoin slides, and we've seen some huge moves in that underlying currency, commodity, whatever you want to call it, doesn't Coinbase just do whatever Bitcoin's doing?
Well, there's definitely a correlation between the price of Bitcoin and Coinbase's stock. I mean, what we particularly see is a correlation between the price of Bitcoin and what are known as monthly transacting users, which is one of the most important metrics in the Coinbase story. If you look at the first quarter, we calculated that there's about a 96% correlation between the two. You cannot get around the fact that Coinbase is very much a play on the adoption of Bitcoin and digital assets writ large. That's just what it is. We happen to believe that Bitcoin is a fantastic store of value, and that given the inflationary pressures that we have seen at a macroeconomic level, it will continue to see upward pressure over time. Coinbase is in a position to be able to take advantage of that, not only on the retail side, but very importantly on the institutional side. And I think that that's a part of the story that might not get enough attention, especially with the company's launch of its prime brokerage platform in January. The idea here is to put together custody, over-the-counter trading, lending, staking, put it all into a package so that institutional investors are able to get that on-ramp into crypto, be able to keep their assets safe, and be able to earn on them. Now, one of the things that is fantastic about the prime brokerage business as it pertains to equities is securities lending. It's a huge business, a highly profitable business. We believe that Coinbase is particularly well positioned to be a lender of crypto in that same way to institutions and to grow accordingly.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.